deal. Goodbye.
Now wait a minute, what?
Well, there's no point in discussing it any further. I'm halfway off this lot right now.
Wait a minute. What's all this about, Aura?
Well, before Mr. Lockwood refreshes your memory, I'm the girl who hit Miss Lamont with the cake. Believe me, it was meant for Mr. Lockwood. Anyways, I'm sorry, Sid. I should have told you about it. Goodbye.
Wait a minute. All right, what's all this about?
I was gonna cast this young lady in the feature role, Beautiful Girl, but they'll make you and Lena unhappy.
Unhappy? I think it's wonderful.
Unhappy? He's been looking for her for weeks.
Are you speaking for Lena too?
Listen, the head of the Coconut Grove may be able to tell Lena what to do, but you are the head of the studio.
All right, I am the head of the studio. She's hard. Just don't let Lena know. Take care of her, Philip.
Thanks, Mr. Simpson. Thanks, Sid.
You deserve it.
Glad you turned up, Kathy. Been looking inside every cake in town.
Thanks, Cosmo.
Taxi!
Have you really been looking for me?
I turned the whole town upside down, and then I got the New York office on it. I remember you saying the New York stage was clamoring for you.
A slight exaggeration. I was clamoring for the New York stage. In fact, I headed out for New York, and then the talkies came.
Well, I haven't thought much about the talkies, but if that's what brought you here, then it's the greatest invention since the wheel.
Now listen, Mr. Lockwood.
Now listen, Mr. Lockwood, just because you're a big movie star doesn't mean I'm going to have lunch with you just like that. Well, will you have lunch with me? Just like that?